Hello moneymakers, did you know this channel has uploaded just 33 videos and have gained 100,000 subscribers in 3 months already? Some of the videos on their channel have got more than 1 million views. By the way, this is not a short video niche. This is actually a long-form niche, and currently there are very less channels on this niche. So it's better to act now and act fast. This niche is called Esoteric Philosophy. They play unique images in their video with the voiceover, and this method is working really well on their channel. So in this video, I will show you how to create videos like the hidden library, and also we will learn how to create thumbnail like them as well. So grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end. Alright, it's time to create content. First of all, to make this type of video, you need to open this channel, select the information from it and paste it into ChatGPT. Keep copying all the information from this channel and pasting it into ChatGPT. Now you might be wondering, what's the benefit of this? By doing this, ChatGPT will better understand the type of channel you want to create, including its niche, topics, and overall style. As a result, it will provide you with highly accurate answers and help you at every step of the process. Alright, so the first step in our video creation process is topic research and title generation. Now where will we get title ideas from? Just follow the steps I'm telling you. First, open the Telegram channel link given in the description. There you'll find a Google Doc link. Open it and copy the first prompt from the document. This prompt is specifically designed to generate titles just like those on this channel. This is a detailed prompt that includes the type of title needed, topic style, and even example topics. So, it will give you the exact kind of results you need. But before generating titles, make sure to provide ChatGPT with the channel's information as I explained earlier. Alright, now copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT has generated the exact titles I wanted, just as you can see here. Still not satisfied with the titles? No problem. Just go to this channel, find the type of topics you want, and copy a similar title. Then ask ChatGPT, give me 5 more topics similar to this, and paste the copied title. ChatGPT will now generate titles exactly based on your requirements. Sounds amazing, right? You don't even have to think too hard. So guys, using this method you can generate unlimited titles with ChatGPT. Plus, you can modify them to suit your needs. Now that we have our topics, just pick any of this and move on to the next step. Script writing. In this niche, the most important task is writing a great script. If your script isn't engaging, no one will stick around to watch your video, and most importantly, it must not sound robotic. Now, you might be wondering, do I have to write the script myself? No, your AI Maskman has already done the hard work and created a powerful prompt that ensures your script won't sound robotic at all. Before using the script prompt, do this. First, extract transcripts from the top performing videos on this channel. Pick 3 to 4 most popular videos, get their transcripts and give them to ChatGPT. Then, go back to my Google Doc, which you can find in the Telegram channel link in the description. Now, copy the second prompt from the document. Many of my subscribers say that ChatGPT writes short scripts. To solve this problem, I've added a special trick to this prompt. You should also use it to generate longer scripts. Now, just add your topic to the prompt. Don't forget to add your topic, friends. Then paste it into ChatGPT and boom. ChatGPT will generate a complete script for you. Look at the starting lines of the script. It doesn't start with, "Hey everyone, welcome to my channel." There are no useless intro lines like that. Instead, it starts with, "They lied to you." See? It grabs attention instantly, making viewers curious to listen further. This doesn't sound robotic at all. It sounds completely natural. And this is just the intro part. Now, to generate the next parts of the script, just type "continue" in ChatGPT. It will generate the second part of the script. Then, type "continue" again, and it will generate the third part. Keep repeating this process, and ChatGPT will create the entire script step by step. If you ask ChatGPT to generate the full script at once, it will be short. But by generating it in chunks, we ensure that the script is detailed and long. Using this method and my special prompt, you can create a natural-sounding and lengthy script effortlessly. But wait, these prompts take a lot of effort to create, and I also spend time finding the best ones for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. It keeps me motivated to bring you more content like this. Once you have the full script, review it carefully. Remove any parts you don't like. Do a little research and add your own points. Remember, automation doesn't mean blindly copying everything. You must review and modify the script to make it perfect. And that's it. Now you can generate as many scripts as you want using this method. All right, we have the script. Now let's move to the next step. But wait. I've always been committed to bringing you the best niche ideas and top-tier tutorials, completely free. Over time, many of you have taken advantage of these resources and built successful businesses just by watching my videos. But I also know that some of you want more. That's exactly why I created AI Maskman Academy. Inside, you'll get full access to exclusive courses covering everything you need to build a profitable YouTube business, live coaching calls where I personally guide you through challenges, a private community of like-minded creators to network and grow with. If you're serious about making money with AI and YouTube, this is your chance to learn directly from me. The best part is, for the initial members, I am offering 70% discount to every one of you. So before the price increases, check out the link in the description now. Alright, now it's time to bring life to our video by adding voice. If you have a super melodious voice, you can use your own. But don't make this mistake. Your goal is to motivate your audience, not put them to sleep. Just kidding. If you have a good mic setup and feel confident, definitely use your own voice, but if not, AI is here to help. But wait, don't use just any AI tool. Your audience shouldn't feel like they're listening to a robotic voice. That's why I'll be using DubbDub AI. You can try this tool for free with a 3-day trial. Alright, first sign into your account. On the dashboard, you'll see a lot of options, but don't select anything except AI voiceover. Once you select it, you'll land on this page, where you'll generate the voice for your video. Now let's pick the perfect voice for our video. You'll find many different types of voices. First, let's try multi-emotive voices.
Let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment.
Hello. Let's turn ideas into reality together.
These are great, but they don't suit our niche. So, let's go to the motivational section. Here, I think Tommy Murphy's voice is perfect for this niche.
In the quiet shadows of Birmingham, we make our own rules. Cross this bridge, and it's the last mistake you'll ever make.
So I'm choosing it. But you can also try Jason Hollow or Mia Reed. Now, go to ChatGPT, copy your script, and paste it here. I also want a slight pause after the first line, so I'll add a pause here. Once the voice is generated, I'll listen to it carefully.
They lied to you. For centuries, we've been told that death is the end. A void, a final breath, a curtain call.
It sounds good, but to make it even more natural, I'll reduce the speed of this line so it sounds a bit slower and more natural.
They lied to you. For centuries, we've been told that death is...
I'll adjust the speed for different parts of the script to match the tone and emotion of the content. You should do the same based on your script's needs.
They lied to you. For centuries, we've been told that death is the end. A void, a final breath.
Once everything sounds perfect, download the voiceover. Next step, generating images as per your narration. Normally, this part is super easy. You just ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for your script. But if you look at the videos in this niche, you'll notice that they don't use generic images. You'll need custom-themed images that match the exact style of your video. For that, you need to give ChatGPT a detailed explanation of what kind of images you want. And guess what? Your AI Maskman stayed up all night to create a powerful, detailed image prompt just for you. You'll find it in my Google Doc, available via the Telegram channel link in the description. Just copy the prompt, enter how many images you need, and ChatGPT will generate image prompts for you instantly. If you need specific image prompts for any part of your script, just ask ChatGPT. Give me X prompts for this section, and it will generate them for you. Step 4. generating AI images. Now that we have the image prompts, it's time to generate the images. For this, open any free AI image generation tool. I'm using Piclumen AI for this. Open Piclumen AI. In the prompt box, paste the image prompt. 3. In the model options, select Piclumen Art V1. 4. In the ratio settings, choose 16:9 for widescreen images. 5. Click Generate and boom, your images are ready. You can also use Leonardo AI as an alternative. Leonardo AI also gives 150 free tokens daily. Now here too, just paste your prompt, go to the preset options, select Phoenix, and hit Generate. And here's the result. The images look great, so this tool is also a good option. I created some images using Leonardo AI and some using Piclumen AI. You can try both and choose whichever looks better to you. Alright, now let's move on to the next step, editing. But before that, go to YouTube Audio Library and download a background music track. Make sure the music is calm so it blends well with the video. For editing, I'll be using CapCut AI. First, import all the images, voiceover, and music into CapCut. Now start by adding the voiceover to the timeline. Check the volume. If it's too low, increase it so it sounds clear. For the first line of the script, I'll add a black background. Then I'll go to Text Templates. Choose a simple but stylish text. And add the first line of the script there. After that, I'll start adding images one by one according to the script. Now let's add some effects. Go to the Effects section and search for Vignette. Now apply this vignette effect to the entire video. Next, I'll also add this horizontal effect, which will make the visuals look even better. Here's how it looks. Then, add some stars, white sparkles, or any similar effect to give the video a subtle sparkly touch. Now, go to the text section and choose Auto Captions to generate subtitles automatically. You can place them in the center or towards the bottom of the screen, whichever looks better. For the text animations, go to Templates and choose a simple animation style. I'll go with this one. Now let's add transitions between each image. Go to the Transition section and apply effects like Black Fade, Mix, or Dissolve. These work best for this type of video. Finally, add the background music and lower its volume so it blends smoothly. It shouldn't be too loud. And that's it. The video creation process is complete. Now just export it and upload it to your channel. But wait, there's one final step. The thumbnail. For that, go back to my Google Doc, copy the last prompt and... Hold on. Before you copy the prompt, don't forget to like the video. And if possible, drop a comment letting me know how you liked it. Alright, now paste the prompt into ChatGPT. And let's create an amazing thumbnail. Now ChatGPT will suggest 3 thumbnail prompts along with thumbnail text. Just copy one of the prompts and generate the image. Once the image is ready, open Canva and select the thumbnail option. Now upload the generated image and place it on a blank page. Next, go to Elements and search for black. You'll see various black boxes. Add one to your design. Then go to the text section, choose a bold text style, and enter the thumbnail text suggested by ChatGPT. And that's it. Your thumbnail is ready. So, this was the complete process of creating videos like Hidden Library and making a good amount of money. Now, don't forget to comment below which niche you want the next video on. I'll try my best to make a video on your requested niche. And if you learned anything new from this video, don't leave without liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also, if you want to learn directly from me one-on-one, You can join my school community by clicking the link in the description. Now let's have a look to our video we created.
They lied to you. For centuries, we've been told that death is the end, a void, a final breath, a curtain call. But what if death is not the end at all? What if it is merely a doorway? One that leads to a reality far more complex, more vivid, and more structured than the life we know. Ancient civilizations knew this truth. The Egyptians spent their entire lives preparing for the next world. The Tibetans mapped out the soul's journey beyond the grave. And in the hidden chambers of mystery schools, whispers of the afterlife spoke of hidden realms, astral dimensions, and cosmic trials awaiting every departing soul. But today, modern society dismisses these teachings, reducing the afterlife to mere speculation, folklore, or religious fantasy. Yet, those who have glimpsed beyond, through near-death experiences, past life regressions, and sacred texts, return with astonishing revelations. They speak of weightless freedom, luminous beings, vast libraries of knowledge, and a life review so detailed it strips away every illusion of self-deception. So why has this knowledge been buried? What forces have kept us blind to what happens after our last breath? In this video, we will uncover the forgotten wisdom of the afterlife.